This tutorial is on how to assign users for letter of award. First, log in to the eProject system. Then open Project. Go to Users and click Letter of Award. Under User Permissions we have Editor and Reviewer. The editor is the person who prepared the letter of award. To assign editor, click Add User. To assign, tick at the checkbox from the list of users. Then click Add Users. Next, to assign the reviewer is the person who is going to review the letter of award prepared by the editor. To assign user, the step is similar. If the reviewer is also an editor, tick at the checkbox. This means that this reviewer can submit this letter of award to the higher management for approval. Next, to add another user. The reviewer that is not an editor usually is the higher management, which is going to approve the letter award submitted by the reviewer who is an editor.